Good morning, everyone. This is Srikant Rajan. Welcome back to the Stock Market Podcast from mpiinvest.com, the only community where you get guided assistance to invest in stock market, bonds, mutual funds, fixed deposits, and all kind of insurance. If you're not a part of this amazing community yet, visit our website mpiinvest.com to join the free investment community. Coming to stock market, the Nifty actually closed higher at 17,833 on Friday, and the DIAs have continued to book profits and they've sold for 1,167 crores. FIAs have continued to buy. That shows their confidence. They have been buying and they bought for 2,132 crores. So as we discussed in the meeting yesterday, we could see US market strengthening, and last 2 days, especially Thursday and Friday, was where we could see both the days the US markets closing in the green. So that is something really good. In fact, Indian markets are yet to react for the movement that happened in the US market on Friday. And along with that, Dow futures are already rallying upwards in the morning. So things are looking good for yet another up move. But can the up move happen today? That is the big question. Yes, the Chinese markets are closed today, and then two important data coming out today. So first one is of course the CPI, Consumer Price Index, and next is IIP, the Industrial Production. So that is also, these are two data which is expected today evening, and definitely the market would be cautious before that. So if you remember, the Indian inflation was kind of tamed down last month, and this time if it is better, for example, if you remember, it was almost close to 7, and from 7 it came down to almost 6.7, and right now if anything that comes less than 6.7 can be seen as a good sign. I am kind of expecting around 6.7, 6.5 to 6.6% for this last month. So, we know that crude oil prices have actually gone down a lot in the last couple of days. And, even that should actually help our economy kind of recover. So that is something on the cards. So the market, of course, would stay cautious until the data actually comes, because the data is only expected after the market close in the evening at around 5:30. So with that, moving forward, I would say the market is kind of going to be cautious. It's already at a very important level. So we've seen how the market has been Indian stock market has kind of reached 18,000, very close to 18,000, and reversed last time. So this time also we can expect the market to come close to 18,000. And if things go good, we could even, we need not be surprised if Indian markets are actually crossing 18,000 this week. So that's on the cards. Let's see how things take shape. Apart from that, if you look at the Indian stock specific news, Reliance is again in news, as they have executed an agreement to acquire the polyesters business of Subbulakshmi Polyesters and Subbulakshmi Polytechs. So in fact, it's a deal which will be costing them almost 1,600 crores, and that is going to add a complete polyester business entity into their kitty. So that's something really good. And apart from that, if you remember what we had discussed about the real estate companies yesterday, I had told you how a mix of business is something very important, wherein it is not just the retail sector but commercial, and all that mix is actually making good sense. In fact, just as we speak, coincidentally today, there is news from Oberoi Realty, as they have approved amalgamation of their companies, four companies. One is Oberoi Construction, second is Oberoi Mall, third is Event Star Hotels, and Incline Realty Private Limited. So these are four companies that are going to be amalgamated, and this is something really good for the market, I would say. So this can be seen as a positive news. So anybody who is interested in Oberoi Realty can actually think of considering entering here at this point. Apart from that, if you look at Asian markets are already kind of trading in the green. Like I told you, the Chinese markets are closed today. So is Hong Kong. So these two markets are not there. But if you look at other markets, you can see that Japan is already trading 1.12% up in the morning, and that is something good. So let us look how Indian markets perform. As of now, SGX Nifty is kind of indicating a small gap up, something close to 17,000 sorry, 17,850. So we might see a gap up opening around 17,860, 870. So if that happens, still we are below the major resistance of 18,000. So as of now, like I told you, I am expecting the market to trade within 17,500 and 18,000 for today. So on the higher side, 18,000 is going to be major resistance. Until that is broken, reaching higher heights is not easy. But similarly, on the lower side, 17,700 is a very important support. If that is broken, 17,500. So 17,700 and 18,000 can be the view for today. So with that, of course, we are already sitting with some good trades in the gold club, which is actually making us good profits, expecting the same to continue this week. So all the best. Wish you all a very profitable week ahead. Let us look forward to yet another amazing week. And if you're not a part of this MPI community yet, it's time you join us. So do share this podcast with your friends and relatives. Let them also learn, and let us help them learn and invest together with us. With that, this is Srikant signing off. Goodbye. Have a great day.